Good evening, Mom.
Good evening to Gagan sir. Today is the 9th class mathematics, chapter number 1, Telangana State Book, page number 14. Today we will learn the exercise 1.2, 1 to 3 bits. Today we will learn it only in this first page. Are you understood of the previous class? 1.2 and 1.3. It's over. Irrational numbers and real numbers. It's over. Are you any doubts?
No.
With the examples and problems and definitions, what is the difference between the irrational numbers and rational numbers? What are the real numbers? Those are topics with the examples. It's over. Based on those topics, today we will learn the exercise problems. First of all, once again, I review those are points. Some points today we will review that one. What are the irrational numbers? What are the rational numbers? What are the real numbers? Okay. First are the rational numbers. A number which can be written in the form of P by Q. P, Q or belongs to Z. Z means is integers and Q not equal to 0. This is the rational number. Rational number means P by Q. Denominator is Q. Q not equal to 0. And P and Q are both are the integers only. Integers means is positive and negative terms, and 0 numbers is denoted by Q only. What are the irrational numbers? Irrational numbers is a number which cannot be written in the form of P by Q. P and Q are belongs to Z and Q not equal to 0. Then the numbers is called as the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers cannot be written in the form of P by Q form. What's like examples of sorts? Root 3, root 4, root 5. Those are 5 also. 5 means is the root 22 by 7. Those are is all of the irrational numbers of examples. Okay. It is denoted by what's the letter? S and Q dash. What are the real numbers? These are all topics. Based on those, today we will learn the exercise problems. So before we learn that one, all are everything point once we call that one side. Okay. What's the real numbers? The collection of the rational and irrational numbers. All rational and irrational numbers is called as the real numbers. What is it? Is denoted by R. Okay, and difference between the rational and irrational numbers is over. And what are the some points all are discussed in this previous class is over. Today in session, today we will learn the exercise problems. Yeah, exercise 1.2. Yeah, first I will read the problem in my textbook. Are you understood?
Yes.
Do you know the difference between the rational and irrational numbers?
Yes.
What are the rational numbers? What are the irrational numbers between? Rational numbers is includes perfect squares. 4, 9, 25 and answers, etc. And irrational numbers is include thirds only. Okay? 2, 3, 5, those are, but it cannot be written in the form of fractional form in irrational numbers. But in your rational numbers is written in the P by Q form. Denominators and numerators both are in integers or whole numbers. Okay? Rational numbers are terminating, recurring or repeating the decimals. But irrational numbers are non-terminating, non-repeating the decimals. Okay? based on those are topics. Today we will learn the exercise problems. Let's get start the exercise. First problem. First I will read the problem in your textbook. Be carefully listen better neatly. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. In this bit, 6 problems is given. One by one, today we will learn it only. Your first one is root 27. Second one is root 441. Third one is 30.232342345 and so on. Next, fourth one is 7.484848 and so on. Fifth is 11.2132435465. Sixth one is 0.3030030003 and so on. And another question is give 4 examples for rational or irrational numbers. Okay, these 2 questions today we discuss in this page. First one is classify the rational or irrational. Which numbers are the rational and irrational? What are the difference? Do you know the difference between these 2 numbers?
Yes.
Yeah. First bit based on those topic. The difference between these 2. Which numbers is rational or irrational? And second bit is 4 examples for rational or irrational numbers. Okay. Are you understood? Everything are you understood? Are you any doubts?
No.
No doubts. Can I start up the today class? Okay. Yeah, look at the blackboard. Be carefully listen better neatly. Exercise 1.2, 1, 2, 3, all problems and solutions. First bit. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. First, all are the 6 bits there. And first bit. Second one. Third also. Yeah, first bit. First bit is root 27. Is it this number? The given number is it a rational or irrational? Do you know the rational or irrational difference? Side?
Yes.
Yeah. First, it is not a square form. Don't write it the square form. It is a cube form. Cube means is 27 factors. What's the 27 factors? 3, 3, 9, 27, 3, 3, 9. So, 3 only. Cubes, it can be written in the cube forms. But don't write it in the square forms. Square forms means 3 square, 3 cross 3. It can be written as, how to write it in the root 27? Root 27, it can be written 3 square into 3. 3 3 is 9 into 3. But don't write it the only squares. The other numbers is also modified here it is. No perfect square. Not there only, root 27. Okay. But it can be written in the 3 square into 3. So 3 square into root 3. This is root of A into B.
Yes.
Root of A into B. Nth root A into nth root B. That is the first law, this one. Okay, 3 square, root square and root is cancelled. We will get the 3 into root 3. But 3 into root 3 is a rational number or irrational number? Irrational number. Okay?
Okay.
Why? Because here it is no square root number. So,
Okay.
This the given number. Therefore, the given number is not a rational number. It is an irrational number. Okay. And because here no square root, no squares, no perfect squares. Perfect square root. How to find out the square root of the given number? Pairs of 2 numbers only. extra there ఉంది. So it is not a rational number. This is the irrational number. But because here it is the root 3 is also there. Other one. So it is a irrational number. Next we will go to the second one. Second one is root 441. 441. It can be written as. How to write it one? 21 into 21. 21 into 21 we will get this one. 21 into 21 is 2 times is multiplied like this. So 21 square. So root times square is cancelled. We will get the 21. 21 is a rational number or irrational number?
Irrational number.
Yeah, this is the rational number. So 21 is a rational number. So therefore the given number is a rational number. Okay, 21. This is the 21. 21 it can be written. How to write this one? By 1 only. So P by Q form. 21 can easily write in P by Q form. So that's why the given number is a rational number. Okay, are clear?
Yes.
Yeah, next we will go to the third one. Third one is 30.232342345 and so on. Okay, once observe here the given number. Fours are given. 23 is repeated, but 42 is all of them mixed only. All of them is a continued division or a terminating division. Tell me the answer on the side. Which type of this number? Which type of this one? Terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal?
Non-terminating decimal.
But because here it is the continuous only, the dots there only. So continuous the division. So non-terminating division.
Yes.
Repeating number. All are the mixed numbers.
Yes.
All are the same numbers or repeating is there?
No.
No. All are the mixed numbers. So non-repeating numbers. Okay. Non-repeating and non-rational numbers. This one is the, what's the definition? Do you know the definition? What's the irrational numbers definition? Definition is the non-terminating and non-repeating. Or those are called as the irrational numbers. This type of number is what's the given number is irrational number. Okay, because it is non-terminating and non-repeating only. So that's why that number, the given number is irrational number. Okay. Next we will go to the fourth bit. That is solution for this problem. 7.484848 and so on. Yeah, once observe and see the problem. Yeah, here it is that after decimal part, these are all the decimal part, this is the integral part. Decimal part is all are the numbers is it are repeated, same numbers. Yes, the same numbers are repeated here. It is 484848 continuous only. So which type of division this one?
Non-terminating recurring decimal.
Very good. Non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. So non-terminating recurring decimals, all non-terminating recurring decimals all are rational numbers. Okay, same numbers. All non-terminating Recurring means repeating. Recurring numbers. All non-terminating recurring numbers or rational numbers. Okay, are you clear? Rational numbers. Are you understood? And decimal point, same number repeated only. So it is a rational number. Next, are you clear? Next we will go to the fifth one. First, once see the problem. 11.2132435465. Is it after decimal point, after digits all are the, is it repeated or non-repeated? This is a dot not there. Decimal point is all no dots only. So that's why it is a terminating one. It is a terminating decimal. All are the mixed values only, but don't repeating one. Yeah, this is terminating decimal. Do you know the terminating decimal?
Yes.
Terminating decimal means remainder is 0. This is a terminating decimal. So it is it rational number or not?
Yes.
Yes, is it a rational number? So it is a rational number. Terminating and non-terminating recurring decimals, those are is the rational numbers. Okay. Next we will go to the sixth bit. And the solution for this problem. Yeah, 0.3030030003 dots and so on. It is not terminating. Okay, is it terminating?
Not terminating.
No, it is not terminating. A continuous division. So which type of division? This one, non-recurring or repeating division or mixed division?
Mixed division.
Mixed means all are the mixed digits there. Not repeating the same numbers, not repeating them. So that's why this is the non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal, but because it contains the division only. Non-repeating, non-repeating the decimal. But because here it is the no repeating the numbers. All are the different types of digits are repeating here it is only. So that's why here both these two conditions, which type of the number? Non-terminating and non-recurring. Yeah, both are should containing in irrational number. Irrational numbers contains both these two only. Okay, rational numbers are contains these two only. Rational numbers contains this one, non-recurring, non-terminating, non-terminating, recurring decimals, and the other one is terminating decimal. Okay, this is the rational, and irrational means is non-terminating decimal, non-repeating decimal. Okay, difference are you understood?
Yes.
These two are the difference. What is this one? These two are there only in this given problem. So that's why the given number is which type of number? Rational or irrational? Given number is
Irrational.
which type? Irrational. Irrational number. I think because here it is in the given number is non-terminating decimal and non-repeating decimal. So both are there in this the given number. So that's why the given number is irrational number. Are you clear? Are you understood? What's the rational? What's the irrational? Are you understood?
Yes.
Then next we will go to the second bit. Give 4 examples for rational or irrational number. You already what are the rational, what are the irrational definitions, and what are the difference between these two, and with the examples, all are it's over.
Yes.
Okay, but in this asked the questions, what is asked in this question? 4 examples only. For rational or irrational. Any 4, how to write it. Okay. First is rational numbers. Rational numbers is nothing but P/Q form. Okay, rational numbers, it can be expressed in the P/Q form. What's the P/Q form? 4 minus 2 अलग-अलग 3 5 1.66 or 1.25. Any 4. Okay, your choice. Anyone, any 4 or how to write it. Next, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers also 4. Any 4 examples how to write. What's the irrational numbers? Irrational numbers means continues the division. It's irrational numbers including the surds. All are the surds are irrational numbers. Root 2 and root 3, root 5, root 7 and 5 and etc. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this also 5 all. Okay, these are all the irrational number examples. Okay, definitions and difference is over. And next one is third question. First I will read the problem in our textbook. Find an irrational number between 5/7 and 7/9. How many more there may be? That is the question. What is given, what is asked. Yeah, first is 2 numbers is given, 5/7 and 7/9. And what is asked? Find an irrational number between these two only. Okay, find out how to find out these two. Between these two irrational numbers, between these two, how to find out only. Next, another question is how many more there may be. How many are, how to write it. Yeah, between these two numbers. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood?
Yes.
2 questions are asked in this problem only. Yeah, first one, this problem is 2 ways. Today we will learn it only. First one is very simple by using one formula there. That formula are using in this problem. That is the very short method only. Other one is very lengthy method. 2 ways today we will learn it. But in this first this is the less space area it is. So that's why very short method today we will learn it in this phase. Yeah, first one is, do you know the formula Gagan side? What's the formula? No, it's over. If A, B are 2 positive rational numbers, AB is not a perfect square of rational numbers, then root of AB is a irrational number lying between A and B only. That is the, what's the formula? How to find out the irrational numbers between any 2 numbers. Any 2 numbers with the examples and one formula is also you already learned in previous class only. Do you know the formula Gagan side? What's the formula? Root AB. Okay, that is the formula. What's the first here? A, B are 2 positive rational numbers. So what's the here? A equal 5/7 and B equal 7/9. This is nothing but B. So what's the formula? Do you know that the formula? You know that formula equal root of A, product of these 2 terms. What's the terms? 5/7 and next second one is 7/9. 9. These two terms is cancelled. Because these two are both are the same numbers. So cancel. We will get the remaining one. What's the remaining? Root 5 by 9. Root 5 by 9. Nothing but numerator is no square forms. But denominator is 9 only. 9 it can be written as 3 square. Square root there. 9. 9 have square root there. But 5 is not no square root. So root 5 as it is writing and root 9. So root 5 by root 9 means is 3 only. That is 3 squares. Square and root square is cancelled. We will get the 3 only. Root 5 by 3. Are you clear? This can be written as root 3 square. So square and root is cancelled. We will get the 3 only. Are you clear? Are you understood? Yeah, this is the one short method only. Yeah, this is the find an irrational numbers between these two only. What's the irrational number? That is the irrational number. Root 5 by 3. Is it a rational or irrational? Irrational number. That is the irrational number between these two numbers. It's over. How many more there may be? So many. An infinity number of irrational numbers are between any two numbers. So infinity numbers. How to there? How many more there may be? Infinity. Infinity number of irrational numbers. Irrational numbers can be written between these two terms, given terms. Okay. Given numbers are terms. Yeah, we will write the so many infinite number of irrational numbers are between these two numbers. You can write it down. Okay. This all is the 1 to 3 bit all problems and solutions. It's over. And next we will go to the second phase. Second method. Today we will learn it. Third problem. Okay.